Hi, my name is Marcus and I'm from... Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today we will learn German with music, and we have the song Schrei, nach, Liebe. It's like a cry for love, and the band, it's called Die Ärzte, the Doctors, and the song is from 1993, 1993. Now I will have some additional information about the song and about the artists, and I also will explain how you can use the song to improve your German. First of all, we have here a picture of the band. It's actually a 3-member band, and it's a quite picture from nowadays. And this band is actually from Berlin as well. Like, I think a lot of musicians are from Berlin, and they have a quite interesting combination because they play a mixture between punk and rock. Okay, and they founded in 1982, 1982, until 1988, 1988, and then they separated, and they started again in 1993, 1993 with this song. And this song is actually a song against Nazis, against people who are racists. No? So it has a quite strong lyrics, and what we can learn with this song is actually we learn a little bit more about possessive pronouns, because we will see the possessive pronoun quite often dein and how we use it. And we will understand a little bit by the lyrics why actually people are so aggressive. So there's every time a why, and so this song explains quite well why. And we will see good examples for sub-sentences, and I call it also comma sentences. No? So we will see sentences with comma. So quite nice to see those sentences. I hope it will improve your German as well. And what is my favorite part of the song? That's actually quite funny and interesting for me, because in the song they sing first, du hast nie gelernt, dich zu artikulieren. You never learned to speak well, let's say this way. And that's correct, no? But later in the song they sing, du hast nie gelernt, dich artikulieren. And that's wrong, no? But it's a little bit, they play around, no? Because they say like, this person who is a racist never learned to speak well, okay, because he is doing this mistake, you know. So quite funny, I like it a lot, and I hope you too. And here we have a small list of other famous songs of Die Ärzte. The first one is Zu spät, too late. The second one is Bitte bitte, and the last one is Komm zurück, please come back, no. And how do you learn in my course with this song? First of all, I show you the official video of the song, and then I also show you the video with the lyrics, and then you will study actively with Quizlet all the lyrics and all the words until you master it, and in the end you are able to sing the song whenever and wherever you want. I hope you like the song, and I see you next time with a new song.